They are, according to the manufacturers, the most advanced fighter jets available in the world. But like everything else in these straitened economic times, they're not easy to sell. So an order for a dozen from the Omanis is a welcome fillip for the UK defence industry in the run-up to Christmas. The jets make up the bulk of a £2.5 billion package, which also includes Hawk training aircraft and technical backup.
This is an extremely important deal. 12 Typhoon aircraft, 8 Hawk aircraft. These support thousands of jobs in the UK, and they're high-tech, high-skilled manufacturing, engineering, technology jobs.
The Oman deal is just a part of a wider sales strategy across the Gulf region. Saudi Arabia has ordered 72 Typhoons, a commitment that should be worth £4.5 billion in total. Though with 48 aircraft still to be delivered and the global downturn, negotiations are still going on to fix the final price. At the same time, it's hoped the United Arab Emirates will also sign on the dotted line for anything up to 60 jets.
More difficult political cases are Saudi Arabia and the UAE, both of which have unrest in various dimensions at home. I think the UK government has had to walk a very fine line, particularly as Parliament itself has pushed back at UK policy towards some of these countries. And I think David Cameron has had to come out really fighting hard, defending these deals on the basis of jobs, defending them on the basis of the threat to Iran against these regimes.
The Gulf deals are undoubtedly good news for the UK defence industry and the Prime Minister's sales push, but they needed them. Last year, they lost out on a £12.5 billion deal to supply Typhoons to the Indian Air Force, which is why management and workers at BAE's Typhoon plants in the north of England are feeling a little more Christmas cheer this year.
It actually is the next major step on our strategy, which is to be even more international than we've been before. So we've always done a lot of business in the international market, but this is a customer that we've served loyally for many decades, and we want to serve loyally for many more decades to come.
The first of Oman's Typhoons will begin manufacture in 2014. They're due to be delivered to the Omani Air Force 3 years later. Libby Bowden, Sky News, in the Middle East.